Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to film a video about how I treat my hair before I will go to the hairdresser to color my hair. Tomorrow I have a hair appointment for coloring my hair. It's been a month since I was coloring my hair last time, and like you see, my natural hair is growing pretty much. I'm happy because my hair grow faster than other months, and it's the result of using collagen or leave-in conditioner by Redken. And no matter what is the reason, I'm happy that my hair finally is growing out. My big problem, my big concern is this gray hair. I have a lot. I think because I was pretty much stressed in the last years, or if is something genetic. My father also has a lot of white gray hair, and I was trying in the last month to color my hair in a cold blonde to help me covering my gray hair when it grow. But I realized that isn't a hair color that suit my skin tone, and also the gray hair is still there, and it didn't help me. So tomorrow I will take you with me to the salon to see how I color my hair, and I'm pretty sure that I want to achieve more brunette, chocolate, cold, warm tone of my blonde hair. But now I want to show you how I treat my hair. I used to use some oil. This is by Indola. I was finished the Eco line, I guess. I use a lot of hair oil and just apply all over my mids to the ends. I don't put on the scalp because my roots are pretty healthier, but my ends are drier, and this is the part of my hair that was bleached several times. So I apply oil and put on my hair just enough to absorb. Like you see, my hands are pretty clean. All the hair, all the oil, it's absorbed in the hair. I don't mind to put a lot of hair oil because tomorrow I will wash my hair at the salon, and after she will color my hair. But I noticed that when I put some oil on my hair before I go to the salon, it is it is good for my hair. Now I just brush my hair. I'm so pleased that my scalp finally get rid of dandruff. I will put the video in the description box to see what products finally works very well for my dry dandruff, because I was struggle for so many years with this annoying problem. So if you like to see this video, that I was filming about my discovering of new product for dandruff, I will put the link down below in the description box. So let's go to the salon. Like I told you yesterday, today I will take you with me to the salon, to my hair appointment, to color my hair. So let's go. Hi, today is Sunday and is the day after I color my hair, and I've been using my bandana for this curl, this heatless curl, and I want to go outside, and I was thinking to film a video and to show you how I do my makeup, my quick makeup, because I was doing some times ago another video, but I switched some of the product and I want to show you. So first of all, I am using this Steel cream. It is for dry skin, and in this cold weather my skin needs to be more hydrated, and I am so pleased with this cream. After I apply my hydrate cream, sometimes I use this foundation by Fendi, but in the last time when I noticed that my skin look good, I just use concealer, only in the spot that I think might notice some concealers in it. I don't have a mirror. This is why I am struggle to see what I am doing, but I use this foundation because it has on the lid some mirror aspect. So my concealer is applied. Next, I was buying this bronzing powder by Huda Beauty. It is made in Italy. It is in the shade 2 medium. Sincerely, I was searching for some powder, bronzing powder, but on a more glowy finish, something like this. So I am back because the noise from outside, I was stopping filming. So I am applying this bronzer on my cheeks and some of them on my lid, just to give some color, and a little bit on my forehead. It is a nice bronzer, but it is more on the matte side. So if you enjoy this type of bronzer, go look after this Huda Beauty. Okay, so let's go on. I apply my favorite eyeliner from Essence. I don't have a favorite brand of eyeliner because I don't want to invest so many money in this type of product, because I only apply on my eyes, and I don't search to be more natural or this kind of stuff. I want to be organized, and after I use the product, I am putting down on my pouch. So this is another eyeliner, but I don't use it right now. After my eyeliner, I just finish with a little bit of mascara. This is for Ila Mask, and I was told you that I'm not so pleased with this. I can't wait to finish this and to buy another brand. In the past I was using Sephora brand, and was better than this one. They said this is more natural, but I'm not so pleased with the result. It didn't give more volume or length to my eyelashes, and this is why I prefer Sephora, or I will try Tarte mascara. I was seeing more reviews on that mascara. So after I put 2 layers of mascara, I completed my look with a tiny bit of pressed powder by Irena Iris. It is a very good powder, more natural, but I was seeing that in the winter time this type of powder it doesn't suit my skin type, because I have more dry skin on the winter time, and I prefer the matte powder, the compact powder, but this one is very good for the summertime. So this is my look. In some days I will put a little bit of lipstick, but today I want to be more natural. My hair look like this because I was putting them up in a clip, but I'm so pleased with my color. I was color my hair last month in the shade blonde with a cool tone, but it doesn't suit my skin tone so much. And this color, more caramel and chocolate, I don't know, it's a mix of two shadow of color. In the salon I'm going and I love the result so much. Maybe I want to see my gray hair, how fast will appear, and on the next appointment maybe we do some highlights, because my hairdresser told me that has some clients that struggle with the same problem like mine, gray hair, that appear at a month after we color our hair. And I don't want to do the transition to gray hair. I'm not prepared, and I'm only 36 next month, and it's not for me for the moment. Maybe in the future I will go for gray hair, but now no. I like it, the blonde color, but warm tones for my skin tone, and but with this type of caramel, don't know, chocolate, it suits more my skin tone. And I want to see if the next month we will do some highlights, maybe just in front where the gray hair appear. So this is my quick video and my quick makeup for today. Hopefully you will find some product that suit you very well. I will try to link all the product in the description box below. So this is how my hair looks outside. It is not so sunny today to see how shine the sun gives to my hair, but I like it so much, and I will probably stick with this color.